Hey, let me ask you something. In your work, do you ever feel like you're talking, but your message just isn't landing? Like conversations are an uphill battle and collaboration just feels forced? Well, we're about to look at a really powerful way to change all of that. I mean, let's start right there. Think about your day-to-day grind. Are you looking for that secret sauce, that little edge that helps you get more done, and more importantly, have your ideas actually heard and acted on? And what if I told you that gaining that influence isn't about some huge, dramatic gesture? What if it's all about the small, almost invisible shifts in the words you choose? The kind of tiny changes that can completely transform how people respond to you. So just imagine for a second, a work life with less friction, fewer of those frustrating misunderstandings, and instead, a genuine foundation of trust with your colleagues, your clients, your whole team. What would that honestly change for you? The key to unlocking all of that potential is something we call the law of connection. And believe me, it's a framework that will fundamentally change how you relate to pretty much everyone you work with. Now, at its core is something called neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP for short. I know, the name sounds a little intimidating, right? But don't let it fool you. It's really just about understanding the powerful link between your thoughts, the language you use, and your actions, and how that link shapes every single interaction you have. And the best part? This isn't just abstract theory. You're going to learn practical, powerful rules you can start using from day one. Imagine building genuine rapport with ease and confidently navigating those tough conversations. It's all about strengthening the relationships that are so crucial to your career. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what does learning all this stuff actually look like? That's a great question. Let's take a quick peek inside the program. So, it's an intensive 2-day dive. Day 1 is all about discovery. We'll unpack the essential conditions you need for connection, and you'll get some powerful insights from a self-assessment on your own communication style. Then, on day 2, we roll up our sleeves and put it all into action. You'll learn how to calibrate your conversations and apply these methods everywhere in your professional life. And listen, this isn't your typical sit and listen lecture. No way. We've made this super interactive. We're talking gamification, real-world case studies and simulations, lively group discussions, the whole shebang. You're going to be actively practicing these skills, not just passively listening. It's a hands-on experience designed so the learning actually sticks. By the end of it all, you're going to walk away with a completely new set of tools. Think of it as your brand new communication toolkit. So what's in this toolkit? Well, you'll discover the 3 essential conditions for creating an instant connection. You'll master how to calibrate your conversations, basically how to read the room and adapt on the fly. And you'll walk away with powerful techniques like reframing. That's the difference between saying, "This is a huge problem," versus, "Okay, that's an interesting challenge. How do we solve it?" Same situation, completely different energy. Now, this next part is a total game changer. You'll learn that not everyone processes information the same way you do. We're going to teach you how to identify the 4 main communication styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and digital. And most importantly, you'll learn how to adapt your own style to create an instant connection with anyone. But this program is about so much more than just picking up new skills. It's really about a fundamental transformation. It's about the professional you're going to become. And this quote right here really says it all. Our entire goal is to empower you to communicate with clarity, influence with integrity, and build professional relationships that actually last. And this transformation, it brings tangible results. You'll see a direct improvement in your daily productivity. Teamwork and collaboration will feel easier. And you'll find you can achieve greater success with a lot less effort, simply by leveraging the natural power of the human mind to connect. So if you're a leader, a manager, a marketing executive, or frankly, if you're anyone who knows that your success is tied to your ability to connect with others, then this program is absolutely designed for you. So the only thing left to do now is to begin that transformation. It's time to take that first step toward becoming a more effective, influential, and connected professional. So, are you ready to stop just communicating and start truly connecting? Are you ready to master the law of connection? I'll just leave you with this one question. Once you have these tools, think about that one challenging relationship in your work life. You know the one, that client, that team member, that boss. Which relationship will you transform first?